Hey, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this colorful birthday card using the Darling Details bundle. Here is my cute birthday card using the Darling Details bundle. This bundle has really fun flower images and sentiments along with some fun dies and frames and an edgelit die that you can use to create really cute cards. So this first large frame die here is what I used for this piece. I cut a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of Starry Sky, and then I used this die to cut out the frame. I'm also using some of the Basics vellum that I'm going to adhere down to the card. And since the edges will be covered by the frame, I'm going to place the adhesive along the edges. So now I have used some of these fun dies to cut out some images using Parakeet Party, and I've stamped a whole bunch of leaves in Parakeet Party and the smaller flowers in Starry Sky and the large flower in Melon Mambo for a really fun, bright and colorful combination. Color combination. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'll add these with glue dots, and then I'll add the rest of these with dimensionals. I'm just going to trim off one of the petals. I feel that it's easier to place these petals when they are separated. The last step is to just stamp the sentiment, happy birthday, and then I'm going to trim it and place it inside here. I used the corners dies. This is the smallest label. So I'll just put it on a dimensional and add it right about there. And there we have our pretty birthday card using the Darling Details bundle. You can receive this card kit for free when you purchase the bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this Darling Details card class.